Our next lesson is page number 62, Unit 6, Nasiruddin, the exercises. A part is use the following words in sentences of your own. The words are popular, worn out, turban, gallop, blown, ornament. The first word, popular, he is a popular writer. Number 2, worn out, his shoes are worn out, they're old, used. Number 3, turban, he had a big golden turban on his head. Number 4, gallop, the horses started to gallop. Blown, all the roofs were blown off during the wind or during the tornado or anything. Ornament, he bought a precious ornament. Next is, what do you understand by the following terms from the lesson? Worthy of you means good enough, aapke laik. To get money, not advice, means only monetary gain, rakam hasil karna. Being swept along means to glide or drift, hawa ke saath. Experiences of day-to-day life means routine life, rozmarra zindagi ke tajrubat. Next is writing, how to write a book review. A book review is a form of literary criticism in which a book is merely described or analyzed based on content, style and merit. A book review may be a primary source, opinion piece, summary review or scholarly review. Anything that you have read in the book and then you want to talk about it, the positive things that you gained and the things that you did not like, all this is part of a book review. Next is write a review of the lesson Nasiruddin. You have to write what you read. We read that these are funny anecdotes of Nasiruddin, a very intelligent and a very witty man who could make any situation funny and light-hearted by his comments. Translate the following passage from English to Urdu. A farmer brought a letter to Nasiruddin and requested him to read it for him. Nasiruddin wanted to be excused, saying that he could not do so because he was illiterate. The farmer said, "You are wearing such a big turban and still cannot read a letter." Nasiruddin placed his turban on the head of the farmer and said, "Now you have the turban. Now on your head, read the letter." Now this is about, it's a funny thing that Nasiruddin acted really funny. I'll translate it into Urdu and then explain it to you. एक किसान नसीरुद्दीन के पास एक ख़त लेकर आया और उससे दरख्वास्त की कि वो उसका ख़त पढ़े। नसीरुद्दीन चाहता था कि वो ना कहे और अच्छे तरीके से माज़रत करे, लेकिन उन्होंने जवाब दिया, क्योंकि वो अनपढ़ थे तो उन्होंने जवाब दिया कि मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं सकता। किसान ने कहा, तुमने इतनी बड़ी पगड़ी सर पर बांध रखी है और फिर भी तुम पढ़ नहीं सकते। नसीरुद्दीन ने पगड़ी को किसान के सर पर रखा और कहा, अब पगड़ी तुम्हारे सर पर है, इस खत को पढ़ो। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. Role play in a group of two. Carry out an interview in which the interviewer asks questions about the lesson from reviewers. Next is grammar part. Adjective. Adjective is any word that adds meaning to a noun. Complete the following sentences using an adjective belonging to the category specified. Now, the first one, you have to write the adjective of quality. We had to take a long route to reach our destination. We should be good citizens. He is wearing a black suit. Burj Al Khalifa is the tallest building of the world. The earth is oval. Complete the following sentences using the appropriate degree of the adjective in the brackets. He is richer than his neighbors. The brides were much younger than the grooms. He is the most intelligent student of the class. He is cleverer than I thought him to be. When the old woman became stronger, she began to move about. Now next page, it's page 62. It says, complete the following sentences using proper order of adjectives. He was wearing an old dirty flannel shirt. Pass me the big blue plastic cups. He sat behind a big wooden brown desk. I used to drive an old blue German car. She gave him a small black Egyptian vase. Formation of adjectives. Adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding these suffixes al, ous, ly, able, y, eding, ful, less, we and ic. Use the words given in brackets at the end of the sentences to form a suitable adjective. Hamid writes in a simple and understandable way. The party was much more enjoyable than I had expected. I wish I had magical powers. Maria came to me in a very emotional state. My sister is allergic to cats. Find adjectives from the lesson and change them into comparative and superlative degrees. Next page is page number 63. An adjective phrase serves the same purpose as an adjective. That means it modifies a noun. Identify the adjective phrases in the following sentences. Have you ever seen an elephant with a white skin? With a white skin is the adjective phrase. He was wearing a crown made of gold. Underline the words made of gold. These are the adjective phrase. There I met a girl with blue eyes. With blue eyes is the adjective phrase. Number 4. Wild beasts in small cages are a sorry sight. In small cages is the adjective phrase. A man with a long beard came to see me. With a long beard is an adjective phrase. Exercise G. In each of the following sentences, replace the adjective in color by adjective phrase of the same meaning. It is a white elephant. It is an elephant with white skin. He lived in a stone house. He lived in a house made of stone. The king wore a golden crown. The king wore a crown made of gold. She wore a diamond necklace. She wore a necklace made of diamonds. It was a horrible night. It was a night full of horror. Now we are done with our exercises and then we'll start with the next lesson, inshallah.